So the next thing that we're going to talk about is finding the difference in latitude between two places. So when you have been told to find the difference in latitude between two places, you need to take into consideration these principles. You need to note that the first principle, when these two places they lie on the same they lie on the same side, this means you are going to subtract the difference in latitude between those two places. Then the other principle that you need to take into consideration is that when these two places they are located on different when they're located on different sides, this means you're going to add the difference in latitude between those two places. And the other principle that you need to take into consideration is that when these latitudes they're having the same signs, you subtract, and when these latitudes they are having different signs, you subtract. So let me just take you through these points. I've said if these places they are located on the same side, you subtract. When they are located on the different sides, you add. And when the latitudes are having the same sign, you subtract. And when the latitudes are having different signs, you add. So I've said if these places are on the same side, I've said you subtract. Then different sides, you add. Then if these places they are having the same sign, you subtract. Then different signs, you add. Then let us look at on how you can find the difference in longitude. So the difference in longitude between 2 points. So you just use these same principles when finding the difference in latitude. So we are going to say same side, you subtract. Then different sides, you add. Then when the longitudes are having the same sign, you subtract. Then if they are having different signs, you add. Let us look at an example here. So I'll draw the structure of the Earth. So if this is 60 degrees east and this is 60 degrees west, then let me put another line. I'll put it here on the east side. So if I say this is 40 degrees east. Then let me just put the points. So if I have this point, I have point A here, and point B here, and point C here, and point D there, and have been told to calculate the difference in longitude between A and B. So the difference in longitude, between A and B. So the difference in longitude between A and B. So as you can see, A is on longitude 60 degrees west. So I'm going to write A is 60 degrees west. What about B? B is on longitude. This is 40. This is 60. So B is on longitude 60 degrees east. So as you can see, these 2 points, they are having different signs. So it means I'm going to add these 2 numbers. So I'll say 60 degrees plus 60 degrees. And the other thing that you need to take into consideration, don't add the signs. So 60 plus 60, that's 120. Then Roman numeral 2, finding the difference in latitude between B and D. So the difference in latitude between B and D. So B is on latitude 60 degrees north, and D is on latitude 20 degrees north. So as you can see, these 2 points, they're having the same signs. And same signs you subtract. So I'll say 60 degrees minus 20 degrees, and that's 40 degrees. So this is how you find the difference in latitude and longitude between two different places. We'll continue next time on Earth geometry. Thank you very much.